Don't drop this.
Oh no! Oh no! Don't.
Do not drop that.
Okay. Oh no! Uh-oh. Unboxing 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Hello, this is Jacob's Club. Today we're going to be unboxing iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Today we are going to first be unboxing iPhone 15 Pro. Okay. So, here's the first rip. Wow. Ooh. And this is the bottom rip. And then we go like this. And we pull it. Hopefully I can get this out. Last time I tried, it took me a million years. Oh, here it is. Oh! Dude, it's the iPhone. This is the iPhone. Okay. Wow. It is very thick, actually. Here's the thickness. Okay. Let's rip this cover off. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! That is like very satisfying. Look how shiny this is. I can see myself in it. Okay, I'm not sure what we do next. Cut. Now we're gonna do the real deal, like better. Because it's not the iPhone 15 Pro. It's the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here we go. Wow. Okay, same packaging, nothing special. Rip. Oh no. Rip. Oh no. Rip. There we go. My mom's laughing. Okay. Oh, rip! Oh, that's satisfying. Okay. Let's see if I can get this first try. Oh Lord. There we go. Schwamp. Okay. So this is the phone, back side, front side. It is natural titanium. So this is the back, this is the front. I'm just gonna open this by just holding this. Is anything going on? Whoa! Okay, it's opening. Hold it here. Oh, wow. Hello? Okay. What do I do? Why is it Chinese? Madam Johnny, you're Chinese. How does it know? Oh, never mind, it's not Chinese. Oh, okay. English, because this is for Bobby. Canada. Default. Bye.